All right, so this is just a quick pre-video intro because the video you're about to watch I actually shot at the end of December, which is more than 2 months ago. But I had a problem with my knee, I had to go in for another surgery, so I kind of forgot to upload. But since then, I have used this tool so much. It has become one of my favorite tools in my shop. I use it just about every single day for something. Very handy. But I'll talk a little bit more about that at the end. So here we go. Hey guys, welcome back. All right, this is gonna be kind of a quick video today. I just got another tool and I figured I'd just open it on camera just in case. This is the DeWalt brushless 3-speed oscillating multi-tool. It's the 20 volt XR brushless. And there's another version of this that's really similar. They look almost identical. And I looked forever to try to figure out what the heck the difference was, because this one was a little bit more, not much, just a few dollars difference. And I was like, I don't know what the deal is. Now, some of the differences between this one and the slightly lower model is the oscillating speed is like, the other one's like 18,000 versus this one's 20,000, which I don't think makes that much of a difference, honestly. But anyway, let's open this up and have a look. This is the tool only. I've not opened this yet. So we first time, look at that. Nothing else in the box. I was hoping I would hit the guitar and make a funny noise, but I missed. So here is the tool. Now, let's see, it comes with a couple accessories, instructions on how to do everything. We'll go to those later. I'll probably need them in like 2 seconds. And I'll just throw them to the side. So there are a couple different attachments here. Some different blades. Let's see. There's bi-metal, which I guess this one can cut wood and metal. And I think this one's more for wood, but I'm not sure. I have to go read the descriptions on these and see what the differences are. And apparently it's got this quick release thing here, so you can snap them on and off. And it has some kind of threaded accessory mount as well. I don't know if this is a thing I should leave on. I don't know. Probably should have thrown the instructions to the side. Let's see. Let's get one of these. Now the reason I wanted this tool is that these are really good for trimming like fiberglass and stuff, as well as the other bits. So basically you can do this. You can, it's quick release here. You can pop this loose and the little blade just comes in on and off, which is really handy. I gotta check and see what this is for. I'm sure this takes another type of probably like the rounder blades, or maybe a generic blade that's made by another manufacturer might fit on the end. That's probably what the little bolt accessory is for. I do have a battery. I've got a few other battery-powered DeWalt tools. So I have multiple chargers and multiple batteries. So I don't need to buy one with a battery. But this is the thing that I couldn't figure out. So this one has the 3 speeds on it. It's the newer XR. I think last year's model didn't have this. This is the 2020 version. And the other tool, which I think is called the Atomic or something like that, I'm probably getting that wrong, looks basically identical, except that this part is black. And this, it doesn't have the switch here. And I could not, for the life of me, find a video that showed whether this was variable. See, I like when you can, if you pull the trigger slowly, you can control the speed just by how far you push the trigger, which is really important to me. And I was kind of like, man, is this just only 3 speeds here, or is it variable with the trigger as well? I guess it just gives you the top end, so you can just pull the trigger as hard as you want and it'll only go to a certain amount. I don't know how much I'm even going to use this, because you can still kind of vary the speed with the trigger. So anyway, it's pretty cool. Again, this is going to be really good for like trimming fiberglass and so forth. That's the main reason I got it, is because for costume parts with the fiberglass, you have to trim all these edges. A Dremel works great, but it's really easy to like lose control with the Dremel and, you know, accidentally nick a thing or cut it, and you have this little spinning wheel that if you slip at all, it goes crazy. One thing is with these, this is the same kind of thing they use for, like you'll see, it won't cut you. Isn't that crazy? This is the same thing they use to take a cast off. Is it not maybe the DeWalt brand, but the same kind of tool. So an oscillating saw, and it'll cut hard materials, but if you get it on your skin, it won't cut you at all, which is kind of neat. And I feel like it's got a lot of control, and they make a lot of different blades for this that are small, these little niddly tiny ones. You get in really small places and cut small things. You can just dive straight in and cut with it. It's which is very handy. They make round blades, so you can, you know, do all kinds of cuts. And it's battery powered. Obviously, you can take it along. It's got a little light on it. I don't know if I'll use that very much, but it is there. It's got safety, so you can't accidentally pull the trigger. But anyway, I'm very excited to have this. It's going to be a handy tool in my little kit. And maybe in a few videos, once I'm making something, I'll take it out and show how it works. But yeah, it's just an unboxing. That was all that was in the box. This battery did not come with this. If I didn't mention that, this battery is one of them that I already had. So that's all it is. But yeah, hopefully it's handy. Because, again, the thing with the varying speed trigger, I couldn't find info on that. And I wasn't trusting the text on the website for some reason. So it does have a variable speed trigger. You can go really slow, super quick, but yeah, should be good. Thanks for stopping by. I will see you kids soon. Okay, so that was the unboxing, and then, you know, back to this beautiful tool that has become one of my favorites in my whole shop. I have used this for everything from cutting expanding foam to 3D printed parts. I've cut plastic and wood and metal and all kinds of stuff, and I find it to be just one of the most handy go-to tools that I have now. It's quicker and easier to use than the Dremel in a lot of cases, and the fact that it's just cordless, and it's just so great because I just grab it, use it, put it down. I don't have to plug in my Dremel and cut real careful. It is so handy. So if you're looking for something to, you know, cutter, I would absolutely recommend one of these things. Like I said, it's one of my favorite tools in the shop now. I use it just about every day, literally just about every day. So anyway, thanks again for stopping by. I will see you kids soon.